Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala asrofil anbiya'i wa mursalin wa ala alihi wa ashabihi ajmain. The teacher, Miss Mala Rovikasari, S.Pd, M.Pd. On this wonderful occasion, I am here to give a speak about Islam. Many still think that Islam is a regulation about war, but actually Islam has a very beautiful seed and we cup appeal. It's in our daily lives. For example, Muslim live by referring to the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet Muhammad, the Messenger of Allah, as a good role model has accompanied the noble character that must be applied by every Muslim. Every apostle habits have nothing to help, so we must exemplify the habit and nature of the Prophet. Our daily life should not be far from Islam. Follows from waking up to going to sleep again, in front the working for going to the bathroom, wearing clothes, often drinking, and eating was the earth. It's turned out that the beautiful faith of Islam is not only regulated for individuals but also in social life. For explain in neighboring life, we are obliged to maintain good relation in page in someone shook and smile to a neighbor's house. Then we are asked to prevent the food so Islam does have beautiful values, and it is only natural that we implement these values in everyday life, and the community left so many speech from me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.